This thing totally blew my expectations out of the water.
78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck. Most people would be in a bind if they missed even one paycheck. Just 40% of Americans couldn't even pay an unexpected $1,000 expense, such as an emergency room visit or a car repair. We need $2,500,000 saved up in the actual bank to actually retire. So think about what you're doing. Can you save that much money up while you're living off of your money to live? The 78% that are actually living paycheck to paycheck go to the same people to ask for financial advice. We know absolutely nothing about investing because it was never taught to us. Would you rather be buying Gucci, or would you rather have invested into Gucci? So now that your investment is taking care of the cost of your brand new shoes, doesn't matter what you say, you are aiming for that amount. What are you going to do about it? The Forex market is a $6 trillion a day in volume market. Compared to the stock market, $28 billion a day in volume. The Forex market is the most liquidated market in the world. And now, you can have access to it with a smartphone or a laptop to invest in and trade currency. Every currency has an exchange rate. And now you can profit from that.